Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make background blur on images using Pixel 6a. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to blur the background. Here you can see the option. The device is automatically detected the photo and suggest background blur. If you can't see the option, tap on the edit option on the bottom side. Here you can see suggestions, crop tools, etc. options. Scroll toward right to reach the tools option. Here you can see the option portrait blur. Tap on the portrait blur option. Here you can see the blur and depth option. You can adjust the depth of this photo and blurriness. Choose the required blur and tap on the done option on the bottom side. Now your image is blurred. By doing this, you can blur your image background. And tap on the save copy on the bottom right corner to save the image into your device. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.